Veda 2019. I'm in the kitchen, about to make some cookies and about to unpack my groceries. I just did a grocery delivery, shipped out. I think I'm gonna join shipped. Anyways, off subject. So, welcome to my kitchen for Veda. Alright, I think my battery's about to die, so I will switch over. But I want to show you guys, I'm going to make some sugar cookies. Have all my things out here. Got my jams going. Got my groceries. I'm gonna unpack my groceries as soon as I get my battery charged. Hey guys, heading to Old Town Pottery. Say hey to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
All right, gonna get some home patio decor. Let's go. No, I didn't. What was that?
Too pretty and cold.
No, I need something with some zhuzh. I feel like I'm in the jungle. In the jungle. What? I know, I really like that. It's pretty. I know, I kind of like the ones I have. I wish I had more color. I love this. But I think I'm going to get this one for the backyard if it's not too expensive. I hope it's like less than $50. Look at this. Oh, how gorgeous. I love this place. If you need home decor, this is where you need to come, sis. So we are doing a patio reno, sort of. I don't really know what I'm looking for in this joint, but they have so much stuff. So cute. Everything's cute in here. Look. Baskets. You want it? We got it. Oh, baby chairs. Ottomans. I think all the patio stuff is back that way. All right, skirt, 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 back this way. Happy Veda Day, weekend day 3. Guys, I totally forgot to show y'all what I got at, what is that place called? Where did we go yesterday, Moody? Old Town Pottery, which is an awesome place, and I definitely have to go back. So the plan is to renovate, quote, air quotes, renovate my back patio, which I'm about to show y'all, and make it a tropical oasis. I was thinking desert oasis because I wanted to do like a cactus, but I might just save that for something else. Yeah, you think? So we're gonna do like a desert. A desert oasis. And in case you guys are wondering where that's from TJ Maxx. But here is the palm tree that I wanted, and then the planter is what I got yesterday. And this is going to be a 4-part series of renovating this, and I think my bathroom upstairs I want to renovate as well, or not renovate, but update. So let me show you this before it actually starts raining, because it's about to rain. So, ooh, see the gray skies. Anyways, so this is what the patio looks like right now. Literally, it's just some furniture. I think I got this from Walmart like last year. But this is like the space out here. It's literally a tiny little, not tiny, a cozy little patio area that I want to zhuzh up because it's pretty boring. And if you guys have seen my channel art, I shot it like right here. But anyways, yeah, so I'll show you guys. This is the before. A good place before, and I can't wait to show you the after. Anywho, so I forgot I could be using my other camera. I mean, anyways, I'm using my phone. Yes, so I didn't show you guys these either. So yesterday, these were the cookies that I made. They look pretty terrible. Mooney, off. They look pretty terrible. I got a better cookie cutter. And I'm going to decorate these with icing maybe later on today. Well, not maybe, later on. It's maybe like around 7 or something. I don't know. But I went to Michael's and got a circle cookie cutter and like a little cookie kit. I've had 2 taste testers and they approved. So I will make another batch. I don't know, maybe today, tomorrow, I don't know later. And what am I gonna do for the rest of the day? I think I'm just gonna chillax, catch up on TV shows that I haven't been able to watch all week because I gave up TV for Lent, so I can watch them on Sundays only. Oh, you wanna say hey to YouTube? Say hello, YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. All right. Well, yeah, I think that's it for Reno weekend number 1. Next Saturday is probably gonna be kind of hectic, so I might not do a video. I might just do Sunday, or maybe I'll do a little bit of Saturday. I don't know. I haven't decided. The week is young, but I just want to have 3 gratefuls for the weekend. I am grateful for some new friends that I have met through my church, and I am grateful for just a renewed attitude on life. Hi, girl. Hang on, y'all. Here. Go get it, girl. Go get it. You don't want it? Anywho, let me do my last one before somebody gets mad at me down here. And my last grateful is I am grateful for Moon Pie. Although she barks and I tell people she drives me cuckoo sometimes, she just wants to have fun and play. And she's a really good security guard. Anyways, all right, I'll catch you guys next weekend. Beta number dos.